Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling, and gonna do another box opening. This is my second one, and unfortunately it's the second box opening I'm doing on a van. I did the Stranger Things a while ago. I had to go to the hobby shop today, so I had to grab some 3000 grit to my sanding sponge, and I had to grab primer because I was out, so I grabbed 2 of those. And this already feels like it should have been what did you buy Wednesday? Sorry, Joe. And I got the new John Wick Mustang. Can't wait to check this out. It'd be cool. All right, so anyway, back to the Stranger Things van. Oh, Jesus. Should I redo this? No. Dungeons and Dragons Chevy van, 77. So a lot of cool stuff in here. Let's take a quick break here. Be right back. Okay guys, the 77 Chevy custom van, Dungeons and Dragons, and it's 125th scale. Comes with a lot of extra parts. You can see, pretty cool stuff. I like that bottom spoiler better than that one, but I kind of like those window vents things there. I don't know, I might use those, I don't know, we'll see. Not sure if I'm going to use the oh, it looks like the exhaust is going to come out the sides right there. That's cool. Comes with all these decals, I guess, in this kit, so we're going to check those out. 212 parts. that's quite a bit. It's got the engine, which is awesome, and the whole interior. So let's break this open and check it out. Raise the camera up. Be right back. Okay guys, let's get right into it and press fast forward, go. Okay, so check this thing out. Tires aren't too bad, they're hollow, pretty soft. Grab that van out. This one doesn't have any opening doors or anything, which is okay, or hood, but let's check that out. You can clearly see where you can cut the sunroof out of it. Pretty nice though. A little bit of flash here and there. Of course that comes off easy enough. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Sweet. I'm not going to do a total unboxing each part, but the main thing I want to see is the decals. Some of the parts are pretty nice though. There's some steelies there. Side pipes, headers. Yeah, there's the custom side things. You might have to cut out the body maybe? I don't know. Maybe it's just a decoration or something. I don't know. It looks like exhaust though. Custom front end. That's kind of cool. Another custom front end. There's yeah, we're both the same. Oh, maybe, well, one's got the grill mesh look, and then one's got the like bars going through it. Cool. Another set of wheels, wagon wheels, I guess. These are your vents for the windows. It's kind of cool. Engine. Not sure what that is. Definitely a small block, I think. Pretty sure. Firewall. It's got your pedals already molded in there. That's kind of cool. Little pattern. Dash. Pretty simple dash. Separate frame, that's awesome. That's always nice to have separate frames. There's your engine hump there, it goes in there. Radiator. Sweet. Looks like 2 chrome trees in here. I'm trying to do this quick, guys, so we don't take up a lot of time. Some zoomy headers, I'm thinking, or similar. Not sure. Oh, antenna right there. Got your horns, your headlights, big Chevy emblem. Couple antennas in there. Your chrome, nice chrome. Some Kraggers. The grill's pretty nice. Your hubcaps for your steely wheels. Rear bumper. Pretty nice parts. Let's see, we got our some amber lights. Your red tail lights. Not sure what the other ones are. Axle. And glass. Got the round ones and the square for the rear, it looks like. Chassis, or interior pan, I guess you would call it. That's kind of cool. All right, let's check these decals out. Take a quick break, guys. Be right back. Okay, so this is decal sheet 1, we'll say. I gotta keep those, put them back in there. A little crinkled up, but that's all right. Some pretty cool stuff. Yeah, it's almost making me want to airbrush something instead of using the decals, but they are pretty sweet. Well, that's awesome. All right, that's decal sheet 1. And decal sheet 2. Oh, that's wild. That is wild. That's cool. I like the wizard one, that's awesome. Yeah, very cool. Dungeons and Dragons. Got a couple plates, some emblem decals. Oh, there's the gauges for the dash. Wood grain one and black. I'm not sure what those are. Oh, that's pretty cool. Those are sweet. Alright guys, that's pretty much it of it. I just want to do a quick one. I don't really do box unboxings, but I figured I had to on this. It's another van, so. And some instructions. Let's see, how many steps are there? 8, and then decals. So 9 steps. Doesn't seem, wow. Look at that. Holy crap. Yeah, that's awesome. Cool. Seems like a pretty cool kit. Definitely going to build it. I'm going to do some kind of mural on it. I'm not sure yet eventually, but I'll get to that point when we get there. So thanks for watching, guys. And I appreciate it. And thanks for the comments, likes, all my subscribers, all that. So thank you, and be back again soon. See ya. Okay guys, real quick before I forget, I think it took me about 5 minutes to get everything back in the box. So there you go. See ya.